Hi, boys and girls. This is Miss Holub here. I'm going to review science lab safety.
Miss Holub, Miss Holub, why are you wearing those glasses?
I'm glad you asked that.
And they're in the shape of a.
Oh, he wanted you to tell me. What shape are these? Can you see? If you said heart, you were correct. Yes, these are my heart glasses. The better to see your kindness, your kind hearts. Have you ever heard the expression, you have such a kind heart, right? We pledge allegiance with your hand over your heart. So when you wear these glasses, it means that you're seeing through the eyes of kindness. And today, when we're talking about lab safety, we need to think about being kind and caring of others. In order to do that, the very first, most important thing is to be safe. That's how you show kindness. Okay? So here are my kind glasses while I read our science lab safety rules. Yes, you can help read. He wanted to say hi. What are some rules you follow to keep safe at school or home? Think in your head and pair up with someone at home and choose one idea. He's already sharing. Yes, you can. Go share. Okay. So now that you've listed some of the rules, one could be no running. Science guy, what would happen if you were running in the house?
Well, that's an excellent question. It depends how fast. It depends if they were wearing shoes. Were they wearing socks?
That's true. It does. Uh-huh. But they might what?
Well, Miss Holub, they might run into something. They might break something. They might fall. They might hurt themselves.
Ooh, that's right. You might hurt yourself, right? So do you think those same things could happen here at school? And now you're remote, right? So you're going to be home and you'll be doing the science explorations at home. So the same thing could happen at home. Do you agree? Not if you agree. Very good. Okay. So Science Guy is going to help me. Rule number 1. Follow the teacher's written and oral instructions carefully. Ask questions if you do not understand what to do. So just like we do in morning meeting, right? If you're working on the experiment and you have a question, right, you need to let the person helping you know. Rule number 2, do not eat, taste, or smell anything used in a science activity unless the adult tells you, right? So for example, if let's say we're doing an experiment using some sort of gummy bear, right? And let's say we wanted to see what would happen if you put them in vinegar, right? That's a chemical. So we're going to wear what to protect our eyes? Goggles, that's right. These aren't goggles, I know. So if you have some gummy bears left over or something, then the teacher might say that you could enjoy those, right? Just a little bit. But you don't want to eat the vinegar on it. Ugh. I know. Rule number 3, keep your hands away from your face and eyes and mouth during science activities.
Yes, Miss Holub. Once I had this one time, I didn't wash my hands, and all of a sudden, my fingers started changing a different color.
Oh, wow. We'll hear about that later. Wear gloves or wash hands after completing the activity. We already talked about the goggles, right? Make sure if you have long hair, it's tied back and you wear protective clothing. So we might have you have an apron. We might have you wear a shirt you don't mind getting messed up, right? And then most important, we want to make sure we clean up, right? And if there was an accident, just tell your parent or teacher. We're here to help. Any questions?